Hello, and welcome to my presentation on the transpiration, cohesion, and tension model. My name is Hannah Dickinson, and I am in BSc 2011. So, first of all, what does this model explain and why does it matter? So, this model explains how plants get water from their roots all the way up to their highest leaves. How are they doing that? Especially when that involves defying gravity, basically, because gravity says that the water should be going downwards and not, in fact, upwards, especially on the case of incredibly tall trees that are over 200 feet tall, like redwoods. And this is a little diagram of water going up a tree. So, first of all, I'm going to go over an overview of the three factors in the model. First off, starting with transpiration, which is when water evaporates from the leaves through little openings in the leaves called stomata. Then we have cohesion, which is when water attracts more water due to its dipolarity, which I will explain later, causing a water column in the plant and up the stem. Finally, we have tension, which is when the water pressure inside the plant changes due to transpiration, and tension therefore occurs because of the difference in pressure. First off, we have transpiration. So how does this help water move up a plant? Transpiration occurs when water evaporates from the leaves of the plant through the stomata, which is shown on the left. So as you can see on the left, we have a little opening right there, and you can see that those are the guard cells that are actually opening up the plant's stomata, and that's the little hole right there, which is where all the water comes in and out of. The stomata are just little pores in the leaf that can regulate how much gas can enter and exit the leaf depending on internal and external environment like humidity and temperature, which both affect whether or not a stomata is fully open or closed. And that's a diagram of the water leaving the stomata. Next, we have cohesion. So how does this help water move up a plant? So water molecules are dipolar, which means that there's a negative side and a positive side on either side of the water molecule. This is similar to a magnet where basically the water molecules attract to one another like a magnet because the opposite ends are attracted to one another. So this means that when some water molecules are pulled in one direction, so are the rest due to this attraction. Finally, we have tension. So how does this final factor help water move up a plant? Tension ultimately results from transpiration. As water evaporates from the leaves, they leave more water to move in, which creates tension for more water to do the same and move into the leaves and then evaporate. When this water moves in and evaporates, cohesion moves all of the water up from the stem and roots towards the leaves to repeat the cycle. So the cohesion brings the water back up due to the attraction that the water molecules have for each other. So this is called the water potential gradient, where basically the difference in water pressure creates a gradient that helps everything move along. And that's it. So we have transpiration, cohesion, and tension. Each of these factors move water up a plant, allowing for each part of the plant to receive the water that it needs in order to perform photosynthesis and keep thriving. And these are my sources. I need to restart this.